The United Nations Population Fund and the International Trade Center, in collaboration with the private sector, have launched the Gambia Private Sector for Equality campaign, an initiative aimed at mobilizing businesses to champion gender equality. As part of the launch, a public procurement guide for women entrepreneurs was also introduced on Tuesday at the ITC Conference Center in Bakau. In line with International Women's Day celebrations, the campaign seeks to raise awareness and drive action towards a more inclusive society where women and girls can thrive. The event brought together key stakeholders, including government officials and private sector leaders, to discuss sustainable solutions for advancing gender equality in the Gambia. The Gambia Private Sector for Equality campaign highlights the critical role of businesses in fostering social and economic equity. The initiative encourages companies to promote gender equality by ensuring fair hiring practices, increasing women's representation in leadership roles, and fostering inclusive workplace environments. Additionally, the campaign underscores the need for programs that equip women with essential skills and knowledge to succeed in the business sector. Meanwhile, the newly launched Public Procurement Guide for Women Entrepreneurs is designed to help women navigate public procurement processes. The guide provides a step-by-step approach to applying for government contracts, empowering women to compete effectively for procurement opportunities. Speaking at the launch, the Minister of Trade, Regional Integration and Employment, Babakar Ojuf, emphasized the vital role of women in trade and reiterated the significance of this year's International Women's Day theme.
International Women's Day, celebrated annually on March 8, is significant as a celebration of the achievements of our collective efforts towards empowerment of girls and women and gender equality, but also an important platform to reflect on progress on global and national commitments and committing to positive actions. This year's theme, for all women and girls, rights, equality, empowerment, underscores our collective responsibility to creating an inclusive and equitable environment where girls and women can thrive.
The UNFPA country representative in the Gambia, Ndero Sat, stressed that championing women's health and rights translates into strategic investment in women-led businesses, ultimately fostering stronger and more resilient communities.
This campaign for us is a collective vision. We are looking for a world where every woman will have access to the quality health care she deserves, where women-owned businesses will flourish, and where the private sector stands with us as a powerful force for good, building an inclusive and just society for all. We are launching today the guidelines on procurement, and they are not just simple suggestions, they are also a roadmap for action.
Ngone Pane, senior technical expert at ITC, noted that International Women's Day serves as both a celebration and a reminder of the work still needed to achieve gender equality. She reaffirms ITC's commitment to supporting women through initiatives like this campaign.
As we gather to launch the Private Sector Coalition for Gender Equality campaign and the guidelines on the public procurement for women-led businesses in the Gambia, we are reaffirming our collective commitment to breaking barriers and also expanding opportunities and ensuring an inclusive economy for all.
Representatives from women's advocacy groups and the Gambia Chamber of Commerce and Industry also reiterated the importance of the Gambia Private Sector for Equality campaign and the Public Procurement Guide for Women Entrepreneurs in bridging gender gaps in businesses and economic opportunities. The UNFPA and ITC Gambia Private Sector for Equality campaign seeks to create lasting impact by fostering collaboration between the private and public sectors to build a more inclusive society. UNFPA has continuously supported the Gambia in various areas, including advancing sexual and reproductive health, gender equality, and youth empowerment. The organization has worked alongside the government and other sectors to enhance access to reproductive health services, prevent gender-based violence, and promote youth and women's empowerment. Reporting for Kirfatu, I am Fatu Silla.